Hello and welcome back. I am Vandana and we are learning English grammar of class 5. This is EduRite series by Amit Publishing House and here is a book Grammar Pinnacle. Let's start chapter number 17 today, which is prepositions. So prepositions are words or group of words that link a noun or a pronoun with the other words in a sentence. Prepositions क्या हैं? ये ऐसे words हैं जो कि नाउन्स और प्रोनाउंस को लिंक करते हैं दूसरे वर्ड्स के साथ जो कि एक सेंटेंस में दिए हुए होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल है द टेबल इज नियर द चेयर, द कैट इज अंडर द चेयर एंड द चेयर इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द विंडो. सो ये जो वर्ड्स है नियर, अंडर, इन फ्रंट ऑफ, ये सारे प्रेपोजिशंस कहलाते हैं. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू वर्क आउट. हियर ए एक्सरसाइज इज fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. यहाँ पे blanks हैं, इन्हें हमें preposition से fill करना है. So here the first one is they always travel by train. Train से जाते हैं. My uncle has lived here since 2020. Since 2020 means 2020 से रह रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Meet me at 5 PM. Fourth one, the sky is full of stars. Fifth, Arjun is going to the concert. Sixth one, I live with my parents. Seventh one, your grandparents must be over 60 years of age. Eighth one, the writer has written a book for children. बच्चों के लिए लिखे है book. Next, ninth, does your father go to office on Sundays? So like this you have to fill the rest of the blanks. Next, let's move on to grasp grammar. So prepositions inform us about the nouns or pronouns in a sentence. ये जो prepositions है ये nouns और pronouns के बारे में हमें inform करते हैं sentence में in terms of their position. ये उनकी position बताते हैं, उनकी place बताते हैं, उनका time बताते हैं and movement बताते हैं या फिर डायरेक्शन बताते हैं. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू काइंड्स ऑफ prepositions. सो prepositions ऑफ पोजिशन या फिर प्लेस. सो कुछ prepositions है वो क्या करते हैं, वो प्लेस बताते हैं नाउन की. सो prepositions ऑफ पोजिशन और प्लेस शो as where something or someone is. ये बताते हैं कोई चीज कहाँ पे है. एग्जाम्पल जैसे कि ऋषि's family planted many trees outside their house. ऋषि की फैमिली ने बहुत सारे ट्रीज जो है प्लांट किए थे अपने घर के बाहर. तो पोजीशन बता रहा है कहाँ पे, घर के बाहर. आई लिव इन चेन्नई. चेन्नई में दे मेट लीजा एट द बुक स्टोर. बुक स्टोर पर. द कैट वॉज लीनिंग अगेंस्ट द वॉल. वॉल से. सो ये सारे वर्ड्स आउटसाइड, इन, एट, अगेंस्ट ये सारे preposition ऑफ प्लेस हैं. Next, Tini Mini says that some of the prepositions of position of place are, ये कुछ examples दिए हैं preposition of place के, जैसे कि on, behind, before, in, over, between, above, below, near, through, beside, etc. Next, let's move on to workout, B exercise. Here you have to fill in the blanks by choosing the correct preposition of place. जो सही preposition of place है उसे हमें यहाँ पे fill करना है. So here the first one is nowadays stamps are available only at post offices. Second, the Eiffel Tower and the Notre Dame de Paris are located in Paris. Third one, Rupa and her family won a free stay at Hotel Hilly in Shimla. Fourth, the distance between Manali and Chandigarh is around 300 kilometers. Fifth one, the deer did not see the lion as it was hiding in the bushes. Sixth, the mall is located on the street right next to your house. Seventh one, my sister is sitting near the door. Eighth, there was a lot of water logging in the lane due to heavy rainfall. Ninth, I built a sand castle on the other end of the beach. And the 10th one is the clouds looked like a bed of cotton when the plane flew over them. So these are the answers that you have to fill here, and you have to do the rest of the questions yourself. Now let's move on to prepositions of time. So prepositions of time tell us when or for how long something happens. ये बताते हैं कि कोई चीज कितनी देर तक के लिए हो रही है. एग्जाम्पल, आफ्टर लंच ग्रैंडमा टेक्स अ नैप. लंच के बाद ग्रैंडमा थोड़ी देर के लिए सोती हैं. So after is the preposition here. Next, the bell will ring in 10 minutes. यहाँ पे in preposition है. We had to stay at home during the lockdown. So during is the preposition here. The show will be aired on TV from Tuesday to Saturday. From is a preposition. The cake has to be baked for 30 minutes. For is a preposition used here. So these are prepositions of time. Now Tinny Many says that some prepositions of time are during, before, after, since, from, to, on, until, through, by, etc. Now after reading about preposition of time, let's move on to workout. And here comes your C exercise, which is fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions of time. So the first one is, we have a break from 11 a.m. to 11:15 a.m. Second, the paint will take 12 hours to dry. Third one, I went to sleep at 10 p.m. And the fourth one is, at noon his stomach started rumbling. So like this you have to do the rest of the questions yourself. Now next comes prepositions of movement or direction. ये जो preposition है ये क्या करते हैं, ये बताते हैं movement या फिर direction के बारे में. So prepositions of movement or direction show us where someone or something is going. ये बताते हैं कि कोई चीज कहाँ पे जा रही है. Example, the brave mouse ran towards the car. Mouse कार की तरफ जा रहा है. Moini dashed across the finish line. Moini finish line की तरफ जा रही है. Next, the कोयल flew out of the mango tree. कोयल जो है mango tree से उड़ के जा रही है. Saurabh is going to Ladakh next week. यहाँ पे to preposition use किया गया है. And the frog jumped into the pond. यहाँ पे into को use किया गया है. So towards, across, out of, to, into ये सारे prepositions of movement है. Now Tinny Winnie says that some prepositions of movements or direction are around, against, across, into, on, off, from, down, up, towards, etc. Now let's move on to the exercise. Here you have to fill in the blanks with correct prepositions of direction और movement. यहाँ पे सही preposition of direction या फिर movement हमें fill करना है. So the first one is, she went into her room and shut the door when she saw a monkey sitting on the dining table. Second, Pooja slowly walked towards the monkey and offered it a banana. Third one, Priyati and Garima are coming to my place for a party. Fourth, it is difficult to walk across the road during peak hours. Fifth, it is dangerous to walk along the railway tracks. Sixth, we walked along the beach for hours. Seventh, the children ran around the park shouting with joy. So like this you have to do the rest of the questions yourself. Next, let's move on to E exercise. The prepositions in some of the following sentences are incorrect. तो यहाँ पे कुछ sentences दिए हैं, इनमें से कुछ में preposition गलत लिखे हुए हैं. You have to underline them and write the correct one in the blanks. तो उन preposition को हमें यहाँ पे underline करना है और यहाँ पे blanks में लिखना है. Now the first one is, my friends are laughing on me. So on नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे at आएगा. The correct answer is, my friends are laughing at me. Second, he has great respect for his uncle who is knocking at the door. Fourth one, the prince is kind to the poor. Fifth, Divide this orange between the twins. जब दो लोगों की बात है तो हम between लिखते हैं, जब ज्यादा लोग हैं, ज्यादा लोगों का ग्रुप है तो हम among लिखेंगे. Next, 6-1, Diya qualified the examination with good marks. 7, the picture is hanging on the wall. 8, the patients are treated by the doctor. 9th, I do not agree with you. 10th, write this application in ink. And the 11th one is, there is a wall around the garden. So do the rest of the questions like this only. And with this, we have completed the chapter. I hope you understood it. I'll be meeting you soon with a new video and a new chapter. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.